I'm Ben from Cambridge Audio. We're known for making an amazing range of hi-fi products, but today I'm here to talk to you about different file formats and codecs. A digital audio signal is created by an analog to digital converter. This converts an analog signal from a microphone into a digital audio signal. But so that it can be played by a music player, this digital signal needs to be turned into a particular format. This is done by a clever computer algorithm called an audio codec. The audio codec compresses and decompresses digital audio data according to a certain format, such as MP3 or FLAC. During this conversion to a format, there are three main types of compression: lossy, lossless, and uncompressed. With lossy audio formats such as MP3, WMA, AAC, and Ogg Vorbis, much of the music data is thrown away when the original signal is compressed to make it smaller. Lossy formats are often used by online services like Spotify, iTunes, and Amazon. The small file size makes it easy to download and store on a mobile device. With lossless formats such as FLAC and Apple Lossless, none of the original music data is thrown away when it's compressed. This means it sounds just as good as the original because all the info is still there. But these lossless files are much larger than lossy formats, so fewer songs can be stored on an equivalently sized hard drive. So how can a file be compressed losslessly? Lossless compression uses clever mathematical algorithms that compress the file to make it smaller. These algorithms then perfectly reconstruct the audio from the compressed data when it's played back, similar to how a zip file works on a computer. With uncompressed formats such as WAV and AIFF, no compression takes place at all when the original recording is converted. These also sound just as good as the original, but they are even larger still than losslessly compressed formats, so even fewer songs can be stored on the same sized hard drive. Each music file has metadata, or tags, embedded into it. This is information about the track, such as the artist and album, and even album art. It's usually embedded into the file when it's created. Network music players like the CXN, 851N, and Stream Magic 6 use metadata to browse music libraries, so you must make sure the metadata is there. If, for example, the artist and album tags are blank, then these of course can't be searched for and will show up as unknown on a player's display. FLAC, AIFF, and MP3 formats all fully support metadata and are the most popular formats for storing and playing digital music. WAV files only support very limited metadata, so it's not ideal for music libraries due to the lack of track information and album art.